What is going on, awesome people? Jamie Awesome here, bringing you a new video. We are doing a Meowscarada EX box. Let me go here in the wide angle mode to open this up for you. It looks like we've got 3 promo cards, a ton of other cool stuff in it. Weird backing plastic. Open up this bad boy. See what's inside. Oh, these promos. Promos. Come on. We got the promos out. We got our jumbo card. Put right there. More plastic. Tons of plastic. And then we got 1, 2, 3, 4 plastic, 7, 8 packs. And what is on the back here? Is this something different? Oh! It's a triple card holder. So you get to display your trio. Okay. This is a little different. Something new. I like that they're doing this with their premium collection sets. They did this with the Charizard. I'll keep an eye on this. Beautiful 3-card holder. Here are our promos. Got Baby Sprig going on right here. We got ourselves a Florigato and our Meowscarada. So those are our 3 promos. And now let's go ahead and do 8 packs. Let's see what we can get onto these bad boys. Got Noibat, Jameco, Ghastly, Student, Camerupt, Articus, Donphan, Baby Doduo. Oh, so cute. And Maps. Pack number 2. Shacadet, Clobbopus, Worm, Frigibax, Nestball, Lantern, ooh, Reverse Nestball, Mankey, and a Toadscruel EX. Non-shiny. But still a hit. The Junior Mimes, Mischief, Barboach, Lechonk, and a lot of uncommons. And we got the shiny Watch Roll because I went too far. Let's move all these bad boys over. So we've gotten a hit per pack at least. Den, Nimona, Atu, Rare Candy, Lantern, Clive, Mr. Kilowattrel, Magmar, and our first, no, Great Tusk. Thought we were gonna have our first dud pack where we got no hits. So it's either Baby Shiny or yeah. Wow. Wombat, Stampy, Todene, Noibat, Winkloon, Artisan, Lantern, what's after Lantern? Scovillain! Another Baby Shiny. So this next pack is gonna have an EX. How we're gonna go? Baby EX, Baby EX, Baby EX, Baby EX, EX. Maractus, Paldean Student, Chinchou, Panko, Nestball, Swoobat, Moonlit Hill, Rare Candy, Gimmighoul, and no EX. We broke the streak. We have broke the streak. Got Haunter, Haunt, Mime Jr., Jameco, Noibat, Grapplock, Iono, Kilowattrel, Jameco, Paldean Student, and another Great Tusk. So yes, we went EX in order, but we skipped the pack. So this should be another shiny. If we do it correctly. Hopefully we do. Got Little, Whoop, there it is. Greaviard, Sharkadet, Camerupt, Moonlit Hill, Donphan, Baby Tinkaton, which is the shiny. And that's it. So we got ourselves 7 hits out of 8 packs. There we go. Tinkaton, Greytusk, Scovillain, Greytusk, Watchroll, Toedscruel, and Doduo. Wonderful. Well, thank you guys for watching. Please make sure you like, comment, subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Peace.